Okay, so in here we have let's get in the box. Right, we've got options for installing, that'd be the instructions, and here is the shower head itself. So a nice chrome top, nice and shiny, white with all of the water jets there. And if we follow the instructions, we try and get into this bag, then we are supplied with a ball joint and a top. So that goes in there, that goes on there, and in it goes and screws on. So yeah, easy to attach straight into your shower. Obviously with the smaller head there, it should go into a normal standard shower hose. Obviously it won't go straight onto there, it's too wide. So yeah, looks great, feels robust and sturdy. Yeah, can't wait to give this a go.